Hi, Max.
Hey guys.
Hey, we're getting ready to take a ride out to the, annual DMF Ohio Cancer Benefit Truck Show and Truck Pull. We're probably only going to stay for the truck show, but we're going to make something happen. We got the old girl all cleaned up. Got the tires all shined up. Got her looking as good as she's going to look this year. Alright, we're going to get this thing running and hit the road. Let's fire this truck up. Oh yeah, she looks pretty good. I washed the windows at the start. She ain't no trailer queen. Let's see what happens here. Fire her up. Oh yeah. Alright, get ourselves on the road. We're going to get back with you. Alright everybody, it's Big Paul, Big Max.
Hey guys.
Hey, we made it out to the show. In case you're new to the channel, hey, check it out. It's going to be a treat, you guys. I'm telling you right now. There's trucks everywhere. So we're going to take a walk here in a minute. Get this truck registered for the show and go check out some trucks. Can't wait, actually. Alright, check it out. We're parked. Got the lineup. Nice trucks. Look at that single axle Superliner. Cool. That truck. Old flat top Superliner. That's a golf cart, yeah. Mom and I are going to buy one of them pretty much immediately. Nice, look at that.
Nice.
Stretched out. Super dog with a Caterpillar in it. Wow. C15. I don't think they ordered it that way. That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Truck I haven't seen in a while.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
American flag.
There's Bill's truck. Right there.
This is Bill's truck.
No, red one. Nice. Oh yeah. I remember when this truck used to make money every day. My old friend K.Y. Hilton bought it brand new. Nice truck. Got a pretty sweet monster truck. Check that out. Hold on.
It looks awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Hold on, there's Mack truck emblem in here. I'd like that. Huh. Look at that. I need that for my shop.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Get down. We don't live here.
I know. I just want to go up and look in here.
Look at that drive line on the monster truck.
I
That
wish I could
is so
go- I wish I-
sweet.
I wish I can go
Look
under
at the
here.
transmission, the whole transmission.
I wish I can go under here.
Drop down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Missing the front drive shaft, I see. Not needed. Oh yeah, we found some more. Here's the monster truck. Look at that old Pete pulling that. So cool. Another old Pete. Half that trailer's converted into a camper. The other half's a little memorabilia museum. Pretty cool. Another Coonley truck. That's an older truck too. Ain't no spring chicken. That's Kenworth. I like that flat top Kenworth right there. That's nice. Nice paint job. Let's look at this blue truck. You got everything I think you could buy for that engine.
Look at the inside.
Don't touch, just look.
I'm not gonna step in
No,
this
no,
step.
no. Just look.
Nice,
Look at that
nice.
interior. All kinds of nice stuff. Beautiful truck.
It has a back.
Yep. Back seat. Everyone go for a ride.
I wish we could go there.
Nice trailer. I don't think it can get much cleaner. Nice. Man, that's a clean looking Kenworth. Nice truck. Raised roof. You got that thing clean, polished, head to toe. Nice truck. I like that. for a road truck. That's a pretty nice looking road truck. A lot of work keeping that trailer clean. Real nice. This thing's huge. Pretty big dozer right there. Truck makes it look easy. Look at this step deck. Wow. Somebody polished the whole trailer. Max, look at this trailer. Look at the trailer, how polished up it is. Wow, that's a lot of work. You see that? Mirror image, the whole trailer. Plus 4 axles in the back. That's weird. 2 lift axles and a spread axle trailer. Huh. Nice truck. Nice truck. Look at the stovepipes on that. Nice truck. Oof. Nice. Even hardwood floors. What the boy need. He's coming in. He's pulling the sled. Nice.
Why is he barking?
He's just talking. That's what dogs do. Nice.
No.
Nice truck. Put a lot of work into that. Another nice build here. We got a few of the match set here. That's funny, they even got the micro one. The little one, check that out. Funny. This is what I need for a golf cart. Paint that thing in my truck colors. Ooh, that'd look good. Forget the Easy Go. Max symbol on front. Rebrand that thing in a heartbeat. That thing rolling by, nice. Looks like
Dad,
East
I see
bought
your
a trailer
cab.
too.
Dad.
East Products right here in Randolph. These are all brand new trailers. Check it out. Steel bed, aluminum bed. There's a dump bed on a truck. All brand new. Look at this round body. That's a gorgeous trailer there too. I like that.
Dad.
We're pulling it with an old Pete.
Hey, Dad.
Maybe not that old.
Tire, 2 tires, Georgia letter, $600.
Hold this.
you guys, it's Big Paul. We just made it back. Sun's going down. We stayed till about almost 5 o'clock, but we couldn't stay for the truck pulls. The 6-year-old was restless, but he was good. So, truck run good. That's about an hour each way. And this is the 3rd show that this truck's been to. So I've driven it about an hour each show. So about 6 hours now on the highway, and little roads and whatever. And I'll tell you, it's a good running truck. Got a lot of power. I think when I get pulling a 5th wheel with this thing, it's going to be. I really don't think I'm going to have to rebuild it. I might put some new injectors, and I'm going to re-gasket it. Look it over real good. Look at the rods and mains. Might do them, but that'll be this winter when I'm into it deep. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and ring the bell so you get notified the next video I put out. And me and Big Green, we're back. I'm out. Thanks for watching.